bad, wasted the time. If you want to do it shorter and more easy, if you want the random marks for just practice, come on the cell and select the range. After that, press is equal to and then write rand. You'll see the rand between formula, press tab and then write your smallest value or marks. I'm gonna write 33 and then press comma. After that, give your biggest value which you want to show in your marks. So just press 99 as I have given, because the maximum marks of one paper or one subject are 100. That's why I given 99. After that, press enter. After that, Control R to right side and Control D to down side. Now you'll see your maximum marks and minimum marks are all here. After that, press Alt is equal to for total and then go to the cell here you want. After that, double click on that, you'll see, and you are seeing that these are changing time by time. Again, select your marks all and then press Ctrl C. After that, press Alt H double V. You'll see now these have changed from formula to marks and numericals. These are not formulas now. Anything if I do, this won't affect your marks. Okay, so like this way you can do your text more better. Okay.